And now it's time to work on the tentacles. You'll need to make 8 tentacles. To make 1 tentacle, start with a slip knot. Make 16 chain stitches. For more control over the piece, hold the work closer to the chain you're crocheting into. Once you've crocheted your 16 chains, you will start working back into the chain. Insert the hook into the second chain from the hook and place your first single crochet there. Then continue crocheting toward the slip knot, making 14 more single crochets. As you crochet, the piece will begin to curl. Once you're done with all stitches, now twist the piece so it takes the shape you like. Cut the yarn tail, leaving about 4 inches. Pull it through the last stitch completely. Before we attach the tentacles to the body, hide the yarn tails from the fins, just like you hid the tail from the fasten off. Let's attach the first tentacle to the bottom part of the body. Thread one of the yarn tails through the needle. Find a spot for the tentacle. Insert your needle under a matching stitch on the body, guiding it out of the next stitch. Remove the needle. Tie both yarn tails together. Cut the excess yarn tails. Push the knot and the remaining ends inside the plush. Continue attaching all other tentacles the same way. Just the smile left.